Close your eyes. Sit comfortably in a meditative posture. Both the palms over the thighs open towards the ceiling. Spine erect and body relaxed. A gentle smile on your face. Relax your whole body. A normal deep breath in and let go. एक और लंबी गहरी सांस भरें और जाने दें. Slowly bring your awareness to the rhythm of your breath. Observe your breathing. Is it faster, slower? Just observe. Many of you are experiencing the breath for the very first time. Observe your breathing. Be joyful and effortless. Gradually, because of your awareness, the breath is becoming slower and calmer. The mind is also settling. Relax. Now, very slowly, bring your awareness to the navel area, abdominal muscles, and we'll practice few rounds of abdominal breathing. Very slowly, inhale and expand your abdomen completely, fill it up like a balloon. Hold for a few seconds, as much as you can, and slowly exhale and contract. This is one round. Continue four more rounds. Inhale, expand your abdomen, fill it up even more, and very slowly exhale and contract. Continue 2 to 3 rounds by yourself. Longer, deeper breath in and out. लंबी गहरी सांसें लेते और छोड़ते रहे. Relax completely. Make your breath even more slower and deeper, effortless. Slowly make this round your final round, and after completion of this round, you may relax. Observe the rhythm of your breath and the state of your mind. Very slowly, we'll take our awareness to every single organ and we'll gently relax them. Attention over both the feet, knees, thighs, abdomen, back region, chest. Relax all of them. One normal deep breath in and let go. Very slowly. Take your attention at the both the shoulders, neck, facial muscles, the whole head cavity. Keep a gentle smile and take one more joyful breath in and let go. Relax completely. Gradually become aware of your thoughts. मन में जो भी विचार चल रहा है उसके प्रति भी सजग हो जाते हैं. Do not judge your thoughts. Just watch them like a witness. Do not try to suppress or reject any thought. Let them be. Accept all the thoughts as it is. Very slowly. Observe your emotions also. जो भी भाव उठ रहा है उनको भी भोले भाव से देखते जाते। Be the witness of your thoughts, your emotions, and relax, repose in yourself. और लंबी गहरी सांस अंदर और धीरे धीरे बाहर. Very slowly become aware of your whole body and the surrounding. Observe the difference in the state. The mind is more calmer and relaxed. Breathe in joyfully and breathe out joyfully, slowly and steadily. Whenever you feel complete, you may open your eyes.